Hi, boys and girls. Are you ready for some phonics? In honor of Liam's birthday today, let's figure out how many syllables are in the word birthday. Ready? Birthday. Birthday. If you guessed 2, you got it. How many syllables are in Liam? Liam. You got 2. Also, our other friends that have had birthdays since we've been home doing distance learning are McKenna. How many syllables in McKenna? McKenna. She has 3. And what about our friend Reed? Reed. He has 1. So those all, we'll call them distant learning birthdays. Okay, since we have begun our unit on planting, let's try some words that have to deal with plants. How about the word seed? How many syllables in seed? Seed. 1. What about planting? Planting. Planting. We got 2. What about the word garden? Garden. Garden. There's 2. How about just the word dirt? Dirt. Dirt. We have 1 syllable there. What about fruit? Fruit. Fruit. Just 1. What about vegetable? Vegetable. Ooh, there's 1 with 3. And what about the word, what did I write down? Oh, shovel. 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 There's 2. Good job, my friends, with your syllables. Well, after learning about Tricky Y, the robber guy last week, we are back to good old lazy E. Remember that when lazy E is at the end of a word, he makes the vowel do the work by making the long sound. So this week we're going to be looking at words. Oh my goodness, guess what, my friends? It is backwards on your screen, isn't it? Should be M-U-L-E, mule. And so it's going to be a U in the middle, so all these words will say you, mule. And next month is the month of June. We know what 3D shape that is. A cube. And another name for calling a boy is dude. Dude. All of those have magic E's at the end and the long U sound. I'm going to say some words and let me know if you hear the short U, which is or the long U, which of course is you. Are we ready? How about the first one is flew? A bird flew above my house. Flew. That's the long one. And what about the word hungry? Hungry. Hungry. Short. What about the word upon? Once upon a time. It's going to be short. What about the word grew? I grew a pumpkin. That's a long. How about the word dug? I dug in my garden this weekend. Dug. That's a short. And the word new, a brand new day. That's a long one. I heard the U in there. How about the word cute? I saw a cute puppy. Long. And how about bunch? I would love to have a bunch of gumballs. Bunch. That's a short one. And my last one is fume. 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 That is a long one. So friends, get ready this week. We'll be talking about words that have the magic E at the end, and our vowel is a U. So we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.